Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam and today we are making hibiscus drink, also known as sobolo in Ghana, and this is a requested video from a subscriber. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, let's dive in. So this is hibiscus flowers and they come in 3 different types. We have some that the flowers are bigger than these ones, and we have some that are very tiny, like they intentionally grounded or something like that. I don't even know. And we also have these ones, but they are all sobolo. They are all hibiscus flowers. So anyone you get at the market, just go ahead and buy it. They all make perfect drink, okay? So I begin by washing my sobolo, and this is not an option, this is a must. Before you use your sobolo, make sure you wash it to get rid of any dirt that may find itself in your sobolo, okay? So I wash and take it out just like this. Okay, and then discard the water. And I'm going to repeat this process. Please don't worry about the fading, okay? Don't think Mariam wants your sobolo to fade off. Don't worry, you can still get enough drink. The best thing is to wash it before you use it, because you don't know how and where these leaves were dried, okay? So the best thing is to wash it before you use it. So I then transfer it into my large pot. Add enough water to it. Make sure you use potable water, okay? Add additional 700 ml. And then I top it with 400 ml. So in total, that is 1.8 liters, and then bring it to heat to simmer. I'll be flavoring my drink with this pineapple, okay? And this is nicely washed with clean water, so I didn't go ahead and peel my pineapple. I'll be using this pineapple peel, so wait and watch. This drink is very beneficial, especially if you want to lose weight. You can make this drink your best friend, and it also helps to boost immune system. But then if you have stomach ulcer, please don't make this drink your best friend, okay? Because it contains a lot of acid and you don't need that if you have stomach ulcer. And I'll be adding some ginger too, because this is a spicy drink, and there are 2 spices that never miss in this drink. That is ginger and cloves. Others add black pepper, chili pepper, just to make their drink very spicy and hot. But remember, if you have kids in your house, you cannot add all those things, else your drink will become too spicy and your own kids cannot take it, okay? So make sure that it's mild, okay? So I then add the ginger to the sobolo. You can decide to blend it if you want. I add my pineapple peels to it. I give it a gently stir. And then add my 8 cloves. You can add more, but hey, this is very powerful and you don't need much in your drink. So I then cover it to cook on high heat. Let's check. So as soon as it boils over, please turn off the heat and allow it to cool down. Also, you can cover it and then turn off the heat, okay? So let me share a secret with you. The longer you boil your leaves, the more sour your drink becomes. So if you don't want your drink to taste sour, please don't overcook this, okay? Yes, take note. While our drink is cooling down, let's dice and blend our pineapple. So I heard this drink has a lot of names. In Ghana here, it's popularly known as sobolo, and I don't know where you are watching me from. Please let me know how it's called in your country, okay? Let me know the popular name of it in your country and leave it at the comment section below. My auntie told me that this drink has so many names and most countries already know it. All along, I thought it's a drink for only Ghanaians, not knowing that I was wrong. So I want to take this opportunity to know more about this drink, okay? So leave it at the comment section below for me. Thank you. We are going to blend this, so I add water to it just to make it easy to blend. So guys, I don't have any socket close. I'm going to blend this. I'll be back, okay? And I am back. So I'm going to strain this to get rid of the excess fiber in it, but if you want, you can leave it. So this is the residue I had, and I'm going to discard it. Please don't mind the foamy things you see on the surface, they will all vanish with time. Remember, it's pineapple we are dealing with and it has a lot of acid. So now the overall cream of today's recipe has cooled down completely, so we can go ahead and strain it. We have two methods of making this drink. We have the soaking method and the heating or the boiling method. What we just did is the boiling or the heating method, okay? So I add enough water to the sobolo and then shake it and strain it again. So with the soaking method, all you need to do is to soak your sobolo overnight, okay, and then use it the next day. But I really don't like that method because you don't know how the sobolo or the flowers were dried. So it's good to choose the heating method. Maybe through that you can get rid of any microorganism that may find itself in the sobolo, okay? So that method is the best, and that is what I will recommend for you. So there's something that most people don't know. You can still reuse the flowers, okay, the sobolo. All you need to do is to remove the pineapple peels and discard those. But with the leaf, you can dry it and reuse it. I don't know where you're watching me from, but in Ghana here, I can just take one day and dry it under the sun. Or you can use oven as well. So this is the pineapple we blended. I'm going to strain that for the second time and add it to the drink. Arrange my bowl and then add it to it. Voila, we are almost there. So I then add 1 cup of sugar. Please, this is something that I'm fond of doing, but if you're a beginner or it's your first time of making this, don't just add the sugar all at once, okay? Add it gradually till you get your desired taste, okay? Yes. So my mom said I should give her a taste. Let's give her some. And to those who may want to use the pineapple flavor instead of using the fruit itself, you can go ahead and use it, but this is not my style, okay? I prefer to use the fruit itself, and if you take my advice, always use the fruit, okay? Yes. It's a beautiful brand new afternoon and we need something chilled. And also remember that you can serve this drink hot, you can serve it warm, and you can also serve it chilled. Please, we are on a journey of 50 subscribers and I seriously need your help. Your girl cannot do this alone. Please do me a favor by subscribing to the channel. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Bye.